Good morning, all of you. I am Professor Dilbag Singh from School of Hotel Management, Airlines and Tourism, City University, Ludhiana. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about a very interesting module about the emerging career opportunities in housekeeping department. The learning objectives of our module will be to understand the various phenomena about the housekeeping department, the various job options available in the housekeeping department, then the different tasks performed in the housekeeping department, and as well the various career opportunities in the field of housekeeping. In general, if we are talking about the housekeeping department, then housekeeping may be considered as the provision of a clean, aesthetic, as well comfortable appeal in any of the organization. Dear friends, housekeeping department is one of the main core departments in a hotel. Whenever a particular guest enters into any of the establishment, the very first thing that attracts them the most, that is the cleanliness as well the aesthetic appeal. But the task is not as easy as it appears, because to maintain that level, the housekeeping department really works very hard. It works round the clock as well behind the scene. In older days, if we talk about the housekeeping department, then it was considered as one of the labor-oriented department. Means the people do not consider the importance of housekeeping department in older days, but in nowadays, as a number of emerging fields are there into the field of housekeeping department, then the importance also flourish into the various segment of a hotel. Whenever someone do their graduation, post graduation, diploma, as well the other courses in relation with the housekeeping department, they look for the better job options in the field of hospitality sectors. Then, like other sectors, housekeeping department is one of the very emerging field that promise the maximum number of job options into the field of housekeeping operations. In this module, we will be able to understand the various job roles in the field of housekeeping department, as well the various career opportunities in the housekeeping department. Like the job profile in housekeeping department in a hotel. If we are talking about the housekeeping operations in any of the five-star hotels, then for the same we do need a team which ranges from the room attendant till the executive housekeepers. First of all, we will take the room attendants or the public area attendants. For the ground level operations in the field of housekeeping department, we do need the room attendants as well the public area attendants. The room attendants work round the clock to make all the rooms into a hotel, the clean, the comfortable, as well the aesthetic. Whenever a guest used to visit the hotel, a maximum number of guests used to visit into the hotels just because of the need of lodging, means the stay over there. For the same, into the hotel, we do provide a number of rooms according to the kind of facilities provided, according to the different ranges of rooms, which may be ranges from the deluxe room to the suite rooms accordingly. For all these rooms, there is a need to clean and upkeeping the rooms on daily basis, and definitely the room attendants are there to perform the same work. Into the public areas, as we know that everyone wants their stay as a comfortable one, and on the other hand, Whenever a particular guest used to rush into any of the public areas into the hotel, definitely they also suppose to get a clean environment over there, and definitely for that particular goal the public area attendants are there who do provide a number of services over there, like cleanliness, maintaining the areas accordingly, and upkeeping the areas. After the room attendants, the second level will be of housekeeping supervisors. Supervisors are very important into the organization structure because they are the person who use to be like an intermediator between the top management as well the operational staff. Whenever there is a need to perform any of the task, definitely the top management will ask to the supervisors to perform that particular work, and the public area supervisor as well the room area supervisors, they do perform all these works with the help of their army, which is also named as the room attendants as well the public area attendants. They used to train them, they used to motivate them accordingly, and as a result they assure the maximum quality of work over there. The next level is the deputy housekeeper. It is also known as the assistant housekeeping manager accordingly, which almost play the role of executive housekeeper or housekeeping manager in absence of housekeeping manager, as well also take care of other managerial activities over there. The topmost position into the housekeeping department is executive housekeeper. Executive housekeeper is also known as the housekeeping manager, who take care of entire hotel operations in terms of cleanliness as well the aesthetic appeal accordingly. Dear friends, further we will discuss about the job profile in the facility management companies. We should be also aware that apart from the job into any of the hotel, the graduates from various programs like the certificate course in hotel management, the diploma courses in hotel management, the bachelor degree in hotel management, as well the master degree in hotel management, they can also join the various facility management companies as a career options. Over there we should be very much aware about the various job profiles in a facility management companies. First of all, we should be aware कि what exactly the facility management companies are. The facility management companies are basically those companies who work as a third party into the various establishments like hotels, hospitals, shopping complexes, airports, warehouses, and many more. In all of the areas, they do have a number of work to be performed accordingly, and for the same we again need a professional team over there. Into the team at the ground level, the personals, the attendants are there who used to do the various operations of cleanliness like the polishing, the cleanliness, the horticulture, then the upkeeping of various residential apartments, the upkeeping of various public areas accordingly like airports. And after that the next option is the supervisors. These supervisors basically take care of all the operations done into the various public areas like the airports, the hospitals, the warehouses, the kind of railway stations, and many more accordingly. Further, we will discuss about the job profile in facility management services in housekeeping. We do have the various job options in the field of facility management companies also. So before going into the various job profiles, we should also discuss about what exactly the facility management companies are. Into the public areas of the hotel, there are a number of works which need to be done by the trained professionals, and apart from the hotels, there are shopping complexes, warehouses, airports, and many more where we do need the trained professionals accordingly. And in all these areas, we do need the various job personals that will be ranges from the public area attendants. These are the real heroes on ground which do provide the cleanliness as well the aesthetic appeal into the various facility management companies and perform various works like cleaning, polishing, glass cleaning, facade cleaning, pest controlling, and many more. After that, the next job profile is the supervisors. Supervisors are really playing very vital role in the smooth functioning of all these facility management companies. They do offer the various kind of training modules to their operational staff, as well they also target to achieve the maximum satisfaction of the client accordingly. After that, the next job profile is the project executives. The project executives are almost like the deputy housekeeper into the hotel housekeeping operations. They do take care of the wide areas and also used to direct the housekeeping supervisors to get their work done in a more sophisticated manner. After that, the next job profile is the project manager. The project manager handle the entire operations in a particular place. Like a job manager, the person is taking care of all the operations into the airports, and after that the last one, and you can also say the top position in the facility management company, that is the general manager. General manager generally take care of a particular area or a particular region. In that particular region, whatsoever are the different operations are performed into the various sites, they do take care of all the budget related issues, the operation related issues, the training and development of their staff, the issues related to staffs, and definite for the better doing of all these housekeeping operations in a sophisticated manner. Various roles in the housekeeping department in a hotel. As we have already discussed, that housekeeping department really plays a very significant role in the guest satisfaction. For the same, the housekeeping department need to play a number of roles into the various areas into housekeeping. The very first is to clean and upkeep the rooms. Whenever a guest check out from the hotel guest room, it is the housekeeping personals who make the room again ready so that the hotel front office can sell it again. The next one is about the cleaning and upkeeping of various public areas. The public areas into a hotel really have their importance, as well the cleanliness into a room area accordingly. So the housekeeping personals also perform a number of work into various public areas like banquet, restaurants, bar, gymnasium, swimming pool, and many more accordingly. The next one is the laundry services. In hotel operations, we do need the staff uniforms, the linen for various operations into the F&B service, as well the room areas, and definitely the laundry of the guest. For all these needs, the housekeeping department cater the laundry services into the hotel premises, and it helps the hotel to do all these their work done in an appropriate way, so that the operations can be done smoothly accordingly. The next one is pest control. Definitely, whenever someone is entering into the hotel, they suppose a clean, comfortable environment. But apart from the clean and comfortableness, they also do imagine the area free from any kind of pest. The kind of pest may be hazardous in the field of hotel F&B production as well the F&B service, because they can cause the food contamination as well the other kind of transmitted diseases accordingly. So to get rid from these kind of problems, the housekeeping department do offer the pest control services into the various room areas as well the public areas, and of course the store units of various departments into a hotel. The next one is the flower arrangement. Flowers are really the way of expressing various feelings from the long ago, and definitely into the hotel operations we also take care of the various occasions of guests, like their birthdays, their wedding anniversaries and their special days. On all the occasions the flower really plays a very significant role. So housekeeping department also take care of the flower arrangement related services, whether it is into the hotel guest room or into the restaurant or into any of the celebrations accordingly. The next one is about the interior decoration. Interior decoration really attracts all the people if it is done in an appropriate way. Housekeeping personals are really the expert into the interior decoration and make the ambience as appealing as the guest feel very much associated with the hotel, because in hotels we do not only provide the services, we also do provide them the memories. Whenever the people used to celebrate their various occasions, they really feel belonging with the hotel accordingly. So in that way the interior decoration really plays a very positive kind of impact into the hotel operations. The next one is horticulture. Cleanliness is the major concern in nowadays. People are more concerned about the environment related activities and they do like the greenery around them. In the hotel, the housekeeping department do special focus on the greenery, whether it is into the corridor areas or into on the public areas accordingly. The housekeeping department also take care of the maintenance of all the plants, to take care of all these plants and keep the areas clean and neat accordingly. Further, we discuss about the various role of housekeeping in facility management companies. As we have earlier discussed about the facility management companies, and now we are able to know about the different job roles accordingly, and in this slide we will discuss in detail about the job roles by the facility management company personals into the various areas accordingly. The very first is the cleaning and upkeeping of various areas. As we have discussed that the facility management company do offer their services into a number of public areas like airports, shopping complexes, warehouses, hospitals, gymnasium and many more. So in all these areas, their prime target is to achieve the maximum level of cleanliness accordingly, and for the same they do perform a number of activities over there, like the cleaning of the various surfaces, like the polishing of various surfaces and the interior decoration of all these areas accordingly. The next role is the cleaning and upkeeping of corporate offices. The housekeeping facility management companies also do offer the housekeeping services into the various corporate offices. There, the housekeeping personals do provide their services to upkeep their offices neat and clean, so that they can ensure the continuous and flawless work over there accordingly. The next one is the upkeeping of residential apartments. In nowadays, a number of multinational companies are offering their lush green as well equipped apartments in the metropolitan cities, and definitely for the upkeeping of all these apartments there is a need of trained professionals, and in that particular segment housekeeping personals, those who are working into the facility management companies, they are providing their various services in the cleanliness as well the upkeeping of these various apartments located into the various metropolitan cities accordingly. The next one is maintaining cleanliness as well the hygiene in hospitals. In any of the public area, the prime motto is to get the cleanliness of various areas. But whenever we are talking about the hospitals, then apart from the general cleaning, the aesthetic appeal, we should also focus on the hygiene conditions, because it is a matter of health of the patients who are staying into the various hospitals as well the health of the staff also. So to maintain the maximum level of cleanliness as well the hygiene, the trained professionals into the various areas do their work round the clock as well behind the scene accordingly. The next one is the pest control in various commercial establishments. In various kind of commercial establishments, like there may be the warehouses, the commercial food processing units, in all these areas as well in a number of manufacturing units, there is a requirement of effective pest control units, and in this segment it is the facility management companies who used to provide the trained professionals, so those who can provide the pest control facilities into the various areas of the public areas accordingly. So in this module we came to know about what exactly housekeeping department is, what are the different job roles into the public areas as well the hotel area accordingly, what are the different job roles accordingly, and definitely after completing this module we will be able to have a glance about the various career opportunities in the field of housekeeping department. Thank you very much.